Ever wondered how to keep fit without stepping a foot in the gym? Well, you're not alone. Today we're taking fitness home, exploring the convenience and flexibility that home workouts provide. No more expensive memberships, no more crowded spaces, just you and your living room, transformed into your personal fitness studio. Regular exercise is vital for our overall health and well-being, and home workouts make it easier than ever. Ready to dive in? Great. Prepare to transform your living room into your personal fitness studio. First things first, every workout should start with a proper warm-up. This is not merely a preamble to the main event, but a crucial stage that gets your body ready for the action to come. Think of it as a gentle introduction, a way to wake up your muscles and get your heart rate ticking. So where do we begin? Let's start with a light jog in place. This will initiate the process, bringing your body from a state of rest to one of activity. Next, we move on to jumping jacks. This classic move engages multiple muscles and boosts your heart rate. Following this, we'll do some high knees to fire up your lower body and core. Stretching comes next. Simple dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings not only enhance flexibility but also improve your range of motion. Remember, every movement counts, and every stretch brings us one step closer to a safer, more effective workout. Now that your body is primed, let's move on to the main routines. Now it's time to get your heart pumping with some effective home workout routines. Our first routine is a classic, the bodyweight circuit. This routine is composed of 4 exercises: push-ups, squats, lunges, and burpees. Each of these exercises targets a different muscle group, ensuring a full-body workout. Start with push-ups to engage your chest and arms. Follow it up with squats, which are fantastic for your glutes and thighs. Next up, lunges to work on your lower body and core. Finally, wrap it up with burpees, a high-intensity exercise that works multiple muscle groups and boosts your cardiovascular fitness. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions of each exercise and repeat the circuit 3 to 4 times. Next, we'll move on to a high-intensity interval training, or HIIT routine. This routine alternates between periods of intense effort and short rest, making it a great way to burn calories. Start with jumping jacks for 1 minute, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Then, get into mountain climbers for 1 minute, followed by another 30-second rest. Repeat this cycle 4 to 5 times for an invigorating and efficient workout. Our third routine is a core-focused workout, perfect for strengthening your abs and lower back. Start with planks, a simple but powerful exercise that engages your entire core. Follow it up with bicycle crunches to target your obliques and lower abs. Finish off with Superman exercises to strengthen your lower back and improve your posture. Aim for 1 minute of each exercise with a 15-second rest in between. Last but not least, we have a flexibility balance routine. This incorporates yoga-inspired moves like the tree pose, warrior pose, and downward-facing dog. Each pose stretches different parts of your body, improving flexibility, balance, and remember, consistency is key in fitness. Try to incorporate these routines into your workout regimen 3 to 4 times a week. And of course, always listen to your body. If an exercise feels too challenging, it's okay to modify it to suit your fitness level. Great job! But remember, no workout is complete without a proper. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Just as you warmed up, it's vital to cool down after your workout. Cooling down is not a step to be skipped. It's the final chapter of your workout journey. It's the period where your body transitions from a state of high activity back to its normal state. Let's walk through a simple cool-down routine. Start with a light aerobic activity like a slow walk or a gentle stationary bike ride for about 5 minutes. This helps to lower your heart rate gradually. Next, stretching is key. Stretching exercises like the hamstring stretch, quad stretch, and shoulder stretch help to increase flexibility and prevent muscle stiffness. Remember to hold each stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Don't forget about deep breathing exercises. They help your body to relax and can also lower your heart rate. All these activities help to reduce post-workout discomfort and set the stage for your body's recovery. And there you have it, a complete home workout routine that you can do anytime, anywhere. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to effective home workouts. We've walked through warm-up routines, main workout strategies, and cool-down techniques, all of which you can do right from the comfort of your home. Regular exercise, as we've seen, can make a world of difference in your physical and mental well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips and tricks. Remember, your fitness journey starts at home.